Eye strain is an issue that affects millions globally, and today, we're thrilled to introduce a game-changing solution. Radiant, the world's first ever portable transflective LCD monitor. Its sleek, lightweight design allows you to enjoy a brilliant display anywhere, from the comfort of your home to the sun-drenched outdoors. Designed for endurance, Radiant ensures you can work all day without the usual fatigue. Connect it to your smartphone with a USB-C cable, and you can instantly use it like a dynamic tablet, boasting a responsive touchscreen that lets you effortlessly navigate through tasks. Operating solely on natural light, Radiant dramatically cuts down on power consumption by up to 75%, ensuring minimal battery depletion throughout your workday. Say goodbye to the dull colors and the slow refresh rates of e-ink devices. With Radiant, outdoor work becomes a breeze thanks to its exceptional visibility in sunlight. Radiant delivers a bright, eye-friendly alternative that outshines conventional laptop screens. Whether you're climbing to new heights or simply changing scenes, Radiant adjusts to your setting, offering unmatched clarity and brightness. And as evening approaches, its integrated full-spectrum LED bar activates, seamlessly transitioning Radiant into a traditional monitor that keeps pace with your productivity into the night.